What your wife been letting you slide with that you wouldn't let her slide with?
Snoring.
Ooh.
I mean,
Are you a snorer?
we both snore, so.
Okay. So y'all fighting with the snoring match.
Sometimes she drowning, sometimes I'm drowning.
I guess it depends on how tired you are.
Neither one of us admit to it, but I know it be happening. I hear her, she would definitely be drowning someday. I know I'll be drowning, but I won't admit to it.
Snoring?
It depends on what kind of snoring.
It's levels to that.
It's levels. If you are gonna shake the building, they're gonna shake the table.
I don't like when people eat in bed either. I don't like that.
That's a problem.
Oh, you don't like the eating in bed?
I don't like that.
Them crumbs. That's very
shit,
nasty.
And that shit get in my motherfucking rolls and love handles shit. That shit's aggravating.
Can't do the crumbs.